Welcome back to our gardening channel, where we're passionate about helping you create thriving gardens. As summer fades and autumn approaches, it's time to prepare your garden for the changing season. In this video, we'll guide you through essential steps to get your garden ready for autumn. Let's get started. Step 1. Clean up and clear out. Begin by removing any spent annual plants, weeds, and debris from your garden beds. Clearing out old vegetation helps prevent the buildup of pests and diseases. Trim back overgrown branches and prune any dead or damaged plants to encourage healthy growth in the coming months. Step 2. Soil care and amendment. Autumn is an excellent time to improve your soil's health and fertility. Add compost or well-rotted manure to enrich the soil and replenish essential nutrients. Consider conducting a soil test to determine if any specific amendments, such as lime or organic fertilizers, are needed to optimize soil conditions. Step 3. Transplant and divide. Autumn is an ideal time for transplanting and dividing certain plants. If you have overcrowded perennials, gently lift and divide them, providing more space for healthy growth. Transplant any desired plants to new locations in your garden, ensuring they have time to establish their roots before winter. Step 4. Plant fall crops. Take advantage of the cooler temperatures and plant crops that thrive in autumn. Leafy greens like kale, spinach, and lettuce, as well as cool-season vegetables like broccoli and carrots, can be sown or transplanted for a fresh harvest before winter. Check your local planting calendar for specific recommendations. Step 5. Mulch and protect. Apply a layer of mulch around your plants to help regulate soil temperatures, retain moisture, and suppress weed growth. Mulch acts as a protective blanket, shielding plant roots from temperature fluctuations during autumn and winter. Use organic materials such as straw, wood chips, or shredded leaves for effective mulching. Step 6. Irrigation and watering. Adjust your watering routine as the cooler season arrives. Reduce the frequency of watering while ensuring plants receive adequate moisture to sustain them through autumn. Consider installing rain barrels or other water-saving devices to collect and conserve rainwater for future use. Step 7. Plan for spring. While preparing your garden for autumn, don't forget to look ahead to spring. Take note of any changes or improvements you want to make for the upcoming growing season. Consider ordering seeds or planning your garden layout, so you're ready to hit the ground running when spring arrives. By following these steps, you'll ensure your garden is well prepared for the arrival of autumn. Embrace the changing season and continue to enjoy the beauty and productivity of your garden throughout the year. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and inspiration. Thank you for watching, and happy preparations for autumn in your garden.